Hello guys, welcome to my channel Simple Solutions. Today I'm going to teach you how to install a screen glass protector for the iPhone and basically all the iPhones. The way of putting the screen on, the glass protector on, is almost the same. So let's get started. The first step that you need to do is you need to make sure that the screen is clear. It's clean. It's clean. It needs to be clean. So I'm going to open the wet wipes and clean it. Okay. We need to make sure that the corners are clean, the sides are clean, the main screen itself is clean. And after that, we take the cloth and wipe it off. Here we need to make sure that there is no oily or greasy marks on the screen itself. Also, we need to make sure that there's no dust particles. If at all you feel that there are any dust particles on the screen, you can always use a dust observer. So this is how you take it. I see a dust particle. I'm not sure if you can see it here. So if at all there's any dust particle, this is how it will observe it. Once you're sure that everything is done nice and it's clean, most of the screen protectors, they have the sticky plastic here. So you need to match the earpiece to this one here. So when you peel this, it's gonna sit right here like this on it. Okay, so once again, we just make sure that there's no dust particles. It looks nice and clean. You hold it like this, peel it off completely. Then set the glass protector on the screen. Just match the corners and the sides. The earpiece, make sure it's matching the earpiece. And there you go. You can also draw a line like that. It's so satisfying to watch this. And perfect. You see that, guys? It's perfectly done. There's no bubble. And this is how it is. I was working on a 12 Pro Max, but most of the iPhones, the procedure is the same. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a blessed day.